Another set.
안녕하세요.
We are
Horizon.
1, 2, 3.
Hello.
We are
Horizon.
I have lobster.
Oo nga, introduce nyo muna yung mga animals. Ayun pala sa musika. Si Moo. Oh, your Moo. Okay, I have Moo. I think it's a cow.
I have a cute little chick.
Yeah.
Ito, burger. Kasi burger ka sa akin mamaya.
Daiki.
Oh,
Meron akong cat na natututo. Parang si Kuya Kim.
lucky.
Why, ba't ang dami yun sa'yo? So,
Hindi, kanya personal niya talaga yung
Ito.
ito.
Tapos ito rin.
Nalabahan mo na ba yun?
mine, it's a lobster.
Yay!
Yeah.
Tingnan yung cow kapag tinanggal niya yung mata, smiley face lang.
Wow. Smiley face.
Okay guys, so now, since nandito kami ngayon because we're finally going to do the long-awaited
Yeah.
mukbang.
Much
We've
awaited.
been
Yeah.
talking about to our anchors for the longest time, and we told them about like we're gonna do a mukbang, and this is the perfect time to do it because this is the end of the year.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, I don't know. Maybe for them it's not the end of the
Yeah.
year, but right now it's like December.
Yeah.
Basta, the end of the year for us, and we're gonna celebrate the end of the year with our food.
Yes. So welcome to Horizon's Year End Pero ano siya with an interview din. Kasi kasi it's the end of the year, so we need to look back on what we've accomplished so far, what we've done so far, and of course looking forward to 2025 then. You know, let's tease some of what we can show our anchors for next year. So yeah.
Okay, so sino yung gustong unang kagat?
Oo nga.
Unang kagat.
Sino first
Unang
blood?
kagat.
Fries or
Chicken?
Winston, kagatin mo muna yung carton.
Buksan na natin. Kasi di ba mukbang dapat may show and tell?
Show.
Okay. Show.
Mag-unbox.
Touch. ASMR.
Pinalo.
Yes.
Hindi, meron yung pinapalo bago kainin.
Yung pinili kong mga flavors ay... Yun. Bawal natin sabihin pala yung brands. Joke. YouTube naman ata so pwede.
Basta chicken.
Pero yung chicken siya. May original for you, Marcus. I think nandiyan yung original.
Thank
you.
And then there's that thing and then cheese. So cheese
Oh, I like cheese.
and peppery and
Wow.
original.
Wow.
Oh, yung feel,
That's
kaya nga
how it's
nilagay ko
in.
din yung cheese para at least you can eat
My
it.
favorite.
Yeah, and we got fries.
Cheese flavor and sour and cream.
This is Horizon's go-to comfort food, chicken and fries.
Yes.
Thank you so much. This
Thank
is
you.
B-roll.
Hey!
It's
Hulog na.
Daming laman there.
And then the fries.
Fries.
Okay.
Fries.
Ang sarap.
Sarap ng fries, no? Fries.
Check out na.
Grilled chicken. Chicken.
Guys, kung andito kayo, sana
Sure.
magugustuhan niyo ito talaga.
Tapos magbilan niyo kami ng marami pa.
Start with beach.
Ay, wow. Isa. Hindi, pero, kasi, di ba, this is our first year, kumbaga, coming out of our rookie year. Kasi, di ba, yung first year of debut natin, 2023. So, this year, medyo nagets na namin yung stuff and the processes and yung buong sistema kung paano maging grupo and maging idol. So, we've worked out yung mga stuff na nung una for us is very, what do we do? What do I do? Anong mangyayari? What happens? So at least we have a grasp of what happens, and yeah, hindi na tayo masyado kinakabahan pag stage. Yun feeling ko yung nakuha ko. Kasi ito, si Kim yung laging
Lagi
paluin
talaga
mo ako sa likod, kinakabahan ako.
Pero ngayon parang di na ako kinakabahan. Pero yung pinoproblema ko naman pag hawak ko na yung mic. Pero
Pag yung salta,
pero nag-fight
normal.
pa rin ako ng ganun na kailangan ko to gawin para masanay na ako.
ako din personally na pag nagsasalita, mas kinakabahan ako sa performance. Okay. Kayo?
Actually ako, nung unang sabak natin sa pagiging idol, like, parang nangangapa pa ako sa performances natin. Like, pagka, may events tayo na gaganapin, di ba?
Yeah.
For example, like, may performance tayo. Tapos, hanggang sa na-realize ko lang na nasasanay na ako sa stage, ganun, na mag-perform. Yung tipong wala ka na, yung lahat pagka bato mo, bato na, ganun.
Kaya ibato na natin si
Bato mo
Kaya
na.
ibabalibag na ang pusa.
Parang marami kaming na-discover sa mga gawain namin, ganun.
Tama.
Sige, look back tayo. Ano ba yung mga nilabas natin kanta this year? Praisester, ano yung nilabas natin?
Lucky na.
Wow, tanda. Kailan natin nilabas? Anong month?
Hala.
Hindi ko dad.
Parang alam ko. Feb, no? Ooh, Feb. Oh, it's March. Oops.
March.
It's March ba?
March.
It's March. It's March. Yeah,
March.
it's March, right?
It's March.
Who doesn't know it's March? Like,
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you know.
Shit.
everybody knows it's March.
100%.
Yes,
Wow.
because
Famous.
that yung promotions kasi na yun, it's very special, especially to the anchors that we have, because it was when we were also doing the fan signing events for 16 malls, which was so fun. That was kasi we've done fan signing events naman before, but that one it was 16 malls, and it was just us.
Yeah. Definitely like one of the most memorable things we did this year. The Lucky fan signing events. 100%. And would love to do it again. We did do it again.
Yeah.
Pero one time lang. Not the 16 malls, but we did do it again. Definitely miss those days.
Yeah.
And it's crazy. Because when was our first fan signing? Like March? March until
March,
April,
March.
right?
Yeah, mom.
It's crazy. Now it's December, and it felt like just yesterday na ginagawa namin. And
So, sobrang bilis ng pangyayari, no?
yeah, super time flies talaga when you're having fun.
And it was yun yung time din na marami akong nakilalang faces ng fans talaga natin.
Yeah.
Kasi nga parang everyday parang
Isa-isa sila.
Makakausap talaga
makikita mo
natin
rin sila makikita.
Yeah.
Kaya thank you so much to everyone who supported the fan signing event of 2024.
I love you, Andres.
Wait for 2025.
Raja.
Kasi, super challenging siya kasi, like, parang pa-travel ka eh. South Korea tsaka sa Philippines, like yung isipin mo yung pagod mo, di ba? Kapag sumakay ka ng eroplano, pabalik-balik, nandun yung mahihilo ka, yung totally yung parang hindi ka, parang wala ka sa sarili.
Yun nga yung practical
Mm,
part natin kasi nga yung bahay natin dalawa.
dalawa, oo.
Yun kasi yung reality natin as a group eh.
Mm.
Na physically, kailangan nating gumanon-ganon.
Mm,
So
Korea,
nakakatakot
Philippines,
syempre,
Philippines.
you know,
di ba?
maraming nangyayari, transportation, and may kasama din kaming mga staff na kailangan din lumipad-lipad, and we have like luggages and carriers and things to pack and
True,
unpack and everything. So that's one reality that is hard to manage, yeah, until now.
Pero,
Yeah.
syempre it was really fun then. Kasi,
Mm.
even though na balik-balik kami, it's still a good thing.
Yeah.
That
Experience.
we have 2 homes and we're able to visit our anchors palagi. And yun nga, like, it's also like a good balance because like we spent a few months sa Korea and then totally iba yung experience namin sa Korea. And then after a few months, biglang pupunta na sa Philippines. Like para bang lagi kaming na-refreshen throughout our schedules different.
Yeah.
Pero worth it naman lahat.
Work it, yeah.
Pero yung pinaka-highlight ng like pinaka-highlight ng mga promotions namin sa South Korea is yung Sumayaw Sumunod. Kasi it was really, like, we really got to set history again, and we're very thankful for that, to be able to release Sumayaw Sumunod as a Tagalog song in South Korea and like perform it sa mga Korean music shows. So that's something we were very proud of this year, and very,
isipin mo
very
yun.
happy.
We spoke in our mother tongue.
Yes,
We sang in our
for
mother
the first
tongue
time.
on international
Show.
broadcast. Yeah.
Really cool, really cool.
Na masaya pa din, marami ding nag-debut ngayon ng mga other Filipino idols din. Yeah. And are also promoting overseas. So,
Yes.
para bang nagka-friends pa kami. Kahit marami pa kami hindi nami-meet. Like with Cat's Eye and with Eunice and other groups na with Filipino members and promoting internationally. It feels like we have companions.
Yeah, true.
So we hope it goes forward.
More.
Go! Mag-isa-isa.
Ako easily, Lucky Fans Time event.
Me too.
Easily.
Kasi
Kasi,
ako na.
yeah, sorry. Kasi,
Go.
Kiss dapat
Okay,
ka na.
hindi ako nagkaya pero favorite ko rin talaga yun. Okay.
hindi ko talaga nadama yung pagod.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi, it's true naman, like, we really did many shows during those times. And that sometimes, then there would be times where we would get tired. Pero every time that we get to talk to our anchors, para bang nawawala yung pagod namin. And it's like really such a fun time. Like, more on Let me just finish my chicken.
Let's go, chicken.
Eating time.
Yeah, like more, instead of like focusing sa mga performance natin, we really got to focus on our anchors, more like our interaction. So that's why it was really fun. And it was like the longest schedule we had, right? Because it happened for like a whole month. And the song was really cool too. It was really fun. The HORI7 on chat.
And one TMI about that too, about the Lucky Fan signing event. I think it was announced that there weren't supposed to be gifts, but they were still giving gifts, and our dorm was filled with gifts. Like you can't walk around the dorm.
Sobrang dami.
Kasi puro boxes of gifts. Imagine pag sinabi pa natin, okay lang magbigay ng gifts, di ba ka mas madami pa?
Yeah.
But yeah, we're so thankful for all the gifts, the letters, and everything that our anchors show us and give us. We appreciate it all.
Okay, what about you guys?
Mine, second concert natin last month sa akin.
Uy!
Yeah, right.
This
That's
month,
right.
November.
Dapat sabihin mo yung totoong month kasi mali mo January 2.
Okay, exact date.
November 3, 2024.
For me, second concert rin because that's where we, like, pakita talaga na, like, we can help our, like, mga tumutulong sa amin, mga gumagawa ng kanta, like that, mga staff namin, doon namin, like, napakita na we can tulungan them. Kahit it's our first time na tumulong.
Yeah.
And it's fun na makipag-work sa kanila talaga na, like, magkasama talaga kami sa isang work.
Nag-collab.
Nag-collab
True.
talaga kami.
Like, yung parang we got to really parang like we had a lot of say na.
Yeah.
It's okay. Compared to the first concert, parang mas madami na tayong naibigay na.
Yeah, it's
opinion.
like we were
Yeah.
really artists who have control over our stuff.
Yeah.
So that felt
Amazing.
cool.
And like a TMI is like my performance, Rainism, Jiro's performance, like the breakdancing, and then your
solo
song.
song
That was decided
within the
two-
week.
within
No, 2 days before the concert.
2 days before the concert. We just suddenly wanted to perform solo songs. Kasi originally it was Kuya Raster, Kuya Vinci, Kyler, Kuya Kim who do solo, and then we do the unit, the sub-unit, like the butter dance that we did. But we were like, guys, gawin natin yung solo. 2 days before the concert, and we prepared 2 days prior. So it was really hectic, but glad it happened. Very glad.
Yeah, it didn't even look like it was like that abrupt. Like,
Right. Yeah. Really, really good. And I think the actors really enjoyed our solo performances at concert. So it's really nice.
Pero alam ko talaga na si Racer yung pinaka-grabe yung paghahanda.
Yeah.
Grabe, 1 month?
Siguro.
1 month, almost 1 month.
Nagpa-practice talaga siya mag-isa sa practice room.
Until 3 a.m. I think.
Late
Or
na
more.
umuwi,
Or
diba?
more.
Late na umuwi.
Wow.
Hard work.
Nilalakad niya lang yun. Tapos yapak-yapak pa siya.
Sa akin yung yung Lucky Fan signing event namin. Kasi, ayun, sobrang mas lalong nakikita ko yung mga anchors, mas lalo akong napapamahal sa kanila. Parang makikita mo talaga yung pagod nila eh. Parang handa silang magpakapagod para makita din nila tayo.
Especially yung mga lumilipad from
Yeah, some people
Oh,
come
grabe.
from...
Dubai,
International.
US.
Kaya yun yung sa akin, yung parang kung ramdam nila yung pagod namin, pero kami talaga hindi namin ramdam yung pagod kasi nakikita namin yung mga anchors.
Dahil sa kanila.
Love you, Anchors.
Yan ko.
Yes.
Ayun, yung sa akin na yung pinakamasayang nangyari sa taong 2024 na to. Siguro yung last one signing event natin. Yung
The
sa
Christmas.
Ayan, yung ginanap sa sa
Mawa?
Sa Mawa Music
Music
Hall. Yun. Kasi sobrang daming di naman sa ganun kadami. Pero na-appreciate ko yung mga anchors na pumunta doon para makisaya sa atin, tapos para mapanood tayo, ganun. Tapos na kahit pa paano naka-interact din natin sila ng medyo konti lang na sakto lang ganun. Pero kasama din yung doon, kasama na din sa 2024 yung yun nga, yung second concert natin. Kasi doon natin na ipakita ulit yung yung kung ano tayo, kung ano yung pwede natin gawin pa. Like, for example, may bago tayong pasabog, gano'n. Tapos, yun, pinerform natin dun sa mismong second concert natin. Ayun,
Sumabog.
sumabog.
So yun, sumabot kami.
Boom! Ako?
Hirap.
Ilapit mo na yung food. Yung P-pop con. Kasi, we got a huge award. I mean,
Yeah.
it's our second year and we're...
P-pop Music Awards.
P-pop Music Awards. What did I say? P-pop Music Awards.
Yeah.
Pinaghalo ko pala yung dalawang magkasunod na events.
Pag music ako.
P-pop Music Awards. P-pop Music Awards.
No, P-pop.
Yeah, it happened 2 days ago.
Mm.
Yeah, 2 days ago.
Very recently.
Yeah.
Sa
I mean,
akin,
it's a good wrap-up for the year.
Really.
Kasi we've done lots of schedules and every schedule is important and we love it. We perform with all our energy. Still, I feel like we give that parang ramdam ko naman na hindi tayo parang go lang. Every day, like, go lang natin, like, walang masyadong
Go with the
effort.
flow, gano'n.
We still try to always push the limit every time.
Yeah.
So, but like that last 2 days ago, yun yung isa sa memorable for me din kasi nga we won an award there. Kahit parang, kasi hindi na tayo bago kumbaga, but we're still recognized still, especially because it's called the Rising Boy Group, which we really appreciate kasi mahirap umangat ng umangat.
Yeah.
Constantly.
Yeah.
Like, syempre may times na hindi ka naaangat masyado kasi from the start, dun mo talaga ipupush yung lahat and everything and dun talaga ma-recognize. And we did that naman, I feel like, from our debut. So when we won that, para bang na-validate yung hard efforts natin to make the group rise up a year after our debut. So, yeah, very proud of that moment and we really planned that him and Racer, if ever we won an award, they were gonna be the ones to speak. Yeah, because they're the ones who always doesn't speak. So, I know our anchors really enjoyed that moment too kasi they don't see them a lot speaking and talking in front of a huge audience.
Yeah, and like speaking of P-pop as well, another like one of my favorites talaga is the Watson's playlist.
Oh yeah!
Kasi
Yeah.
that was like kind of it felt so homey for me kasi like being able to perform alongside with our P-pop brothers and sisters, it felt very para bang reunited yung vibes and like to be able to chat with the other artists para ko talaga silang naturing as brothers and
Brothers and
sisters, kuyas and ates. And it was really nice kasi we came from Korea that time.
Yeah.
So it was like, wow, we're home again, we're back in our
It felt like
homeland, and performing with P-pop artists.
And it really felt like Avengers Assemble. Kasi
because
it's a real collab stage talaga na lahat talaga nandun sa stage. Tapos
yeah.
yung boy groups nagsama-sama, yung girls group nagsama-sama, and then it's like a whole explosive stage.
Yes.
That was, I love that performance. And practicing for it even, it was so fun.
Like,
Kasi
our chemistry as artists were
I think
really up there.
it was there.
Yeah.
Sobrang dami natin sa stage yun.
Yeah, if you haven't seen the clips from that or that schedule,
Search it up.
Yeah, search it up.
Very, very good.
It's fun and it was. Nanan! Nanan!
Yeah, training.
SS kami doon.
Training with sila Kuya Alamat and Kuya SB19. Very fun. Very fun training times. They were so good, grabe. And
Lakas.
also, Ate Kaya and Ate
G22.
And of course, yung JBL Fest natin.
Hey.
JBL Fest, grabe.
As brand ambassadors.
Yes.
Uy, meron tayong JBL.
Oh,
yes.
Zoom that in, JBL fam!
Kita ba? Kita naman, no?
Kita naman, no?
That's the JBL Charge 5.
Yeah!
Hey!
Parang
Yes, sir!
first time lang ulit natin yun mag-perform, open area. No? Kasi usually pag nag-perform
Like
tayo,
may arena.
arena
or like
talaga,
venue.
inside. So, amazing.
Nung...
Si
ba-
Kim.
No, si Kim.
Oo.
Bago, na nagre-rehearsals kami,
Nagulat din ako.
parang bigla siyang umupo malapit sa may pyro. Hindi niya alam na ano
Doon
yun.
talaga ako umupo.
Buto na lang.
Biglang lumiyog, no?
Lumiyog siya nung nag-perform ng SB19.
Nung nag-rehearse yung
Maluluto sana siya.
Kasi gusto
Grabe.
ko tingin sa performance ng SB19 talaga. So pumunta na ako doon sa harap. Tapos pagka ilang minutes lang ata, biglang may umapoy.
Oo, magiging ganito ka nun, no?
Fried chicken talaga sana.
Di ba na-meet natin si ano?
Naalala mo yung na-meet natin si Xiumin?
Yeah!
Yung, saan ba yan? Saan nga yan?
Love is the
Samsung fan. Ayun, Samsung event.
You can call me monster!
Grabe, ang angas niya nung nag-perform siya, guys.
Yes.
Talagang rinig mo yung boses niya as in nung nag-perform siya, no?
So, nagpa-picture pa tayo.
Nag-picture tayo!
Grabe yung puti niya.
Grabe!
Pwede ba natin sabihin yun? yung backstage.
Yung galing.
Grabe! Hindi.
Napost nga pala. Kung ano?
At saka, guys, nakita na namin dalawa na lang ata yung hindi ko pa nakikita. Basta nakita ko na si
Nakalista sa kanya lahat ng EXO
Xiumin,
members.
si Suho, tsaka si Baekhyun.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sa
Mexico.
Mexico!
Ah, madya.
Yes!
Nakasabay ko pa sa treadmill.
Grabe! Sobrang astig.
So yun talaga yung favorite
Yun talaga yung favorite ko kasi maka-EXO ako talaga.
Pero not just si EXO Son Binim, meron din sila, di ba sila...
JK.
JK, nakita rin natin. Oh my God.
Pero hindi kami
JK.
nakapag-interact kasi
Oh,
magkasunod.
Teo.
Magkasunod tayo ng set, sa
Oo.
set list. So, hindi namin siya masyado naka-interact.
Yung conclusion is wala talaga kaming favorite schedule. Kasi
Yeah.
lahat ng schedule namin this year
Favorite.
na-enjoy namin.
Enjoy namin lahat.
Feeling ko yung kay Racer nung concert moment niya, yung grabe yung pag-prepare niya. Kasi yun yung hindi ko parang kayang masyado gawin.
Yung parang dedication talaga.
Oo. Kaya ko mag-practice,
Ako din eh.
pero hindi yung grabe yung...
Hanggang-
hindi siya
Super-
matutulog.
Super committed talaga si Kyle.
Oo, yung sacrifice kong sacrifice. Parang hindi ko kaya masyado mag-sacrifice. So, si Racer. Kasi,
Next third, dahil ikaw yung sinabi na.
i-share mo, ano yung umiikot sa isip mo pag ganong sacrifice ang iyong pinagdadaanan? Or hindi ba siya sacrifice para sa'yo? Parang natural lang.
Natural na medyo may
Haba hair.
Paano nga ba na hair?
Madalas ko nakakausap ikaw or si Kim. Oy, sige, kayo na natin.
No.
Explain.
Bakit?
Kasi, siyempre, importante rin yung, para mga nakakausap.
Mental health, guys. It's good to talk to people.
Pero lagi ako iniinis ni Rister.
Lo,
Lagi niya ako
nakakainis kasi siya.
Ginagawa niya talaga ng literal na pusa. Ginagawa niya na akong pusa talaga.
Winston.
Sa akin si Raystor.
Tulo. Ikaw ulit. Ang benta
Kasi
ko.
may specific na bagay na sa kanya ko lang masasabi.
Matangos ilong.
Na parang siya lang yung makaka-relate talaga. Kaya sa kanya, yun. Dahil dun yun sa isa.
Kim.
Wala eh.
Wala.
Lahat naman kayo nagtutulungan naman tayo dito eh.
Wow.
Yan lang.
Panalo to. Feeling ko nung nasa Korea kami, like, minsan, kasi aminin natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng tampuhan, gano'n. Pero, sa kabila ng yun, feel ko talaga si Vinci, saka si Kim. Kasi, minsan, pagka nagkatampuhan kami, tapos, ayun, nag-uusap kami dalawa ni Vinci. Pinag-uusapan namin yung mga bagay-bagay, tapos, ayun, nagkakaintindihan naman kami. Kami din naman ito si Kim. Since Dreammaker, magkaibigan na talaga kami. Tapos, ayun, hanggang ngayon, pagka nag-uusap kami, ayun.
Grabe mag-asawa na sila, guys.
Nagkakaintindihan na.
Grabe.
Like, yung tipong pag nag-usap kaming dalawa, like, magkakaintindihan kami agad-agad. Ganun.
Puro kalokohan.
Puro kalokohan, no?
Parang last year kasi yung mag-asawa si Winston at si Kim. Or nung earlier this year.
Earlier this
May
year.
Tapos
rotation
biglang
kasi.
Meron tayong
kumabit.
partner,
Kumabit si Kim kay Kyle.
Nag-rotate.
Oo. Kunyari naglalakad kami, bigla sila maiiwan. Tapos sila na lang dalawa yung magkakausap. Tapos lagi sila sabay mag-CR. Tapos pag may kakainin sila, sabay din sila kumain.
Ako naman guys, during the concert, si Kuya Winston
Oo.
talaga. Kasi parang na-feel ko talaga yung dedication niya. Kasi nga, di ba, 2 days before the concert, talaga siya, sinabi niya talaga, coach, gusto ko po talaga kumanta, ganito, meron ng preparation, ganyan. So parang na-inspire ako dun.
Sa akin si Kuya Winston, natutulungan niya ako na mga problema ako.
Wow.
Kasi mga nasabihan ko like siya, kapag ganun, kahit minsan para siyang bata mag-isip.
Sabihan ng bata.
Hindi, alam mo na ba, naisip
Sabihan ka ng bata.
ano kaya siya namomotivate pag lagi niya inaaway si Winston? Kasi si Jiro lagi niya inaaway si Winston.
Oo guys, lagi sila nagre-wrestling dalawa.
Grabe,
Totoo
gusto niya
yan.
ng behind the scenes video
Totoo yan.
ng wrestling.
Simula pa
Grabe!
Mayroon akong video, wala silang t-shirt, nagre-wrestling.
Pre, alam ko may isang schedule tayo as in namumula yung
Ako naman dito ko. Yun yung sa ano natin. Last episode natin.
Dito.
Yung ka Santa Claus is coming
Last
to town. Ay, Santa Claus.
Hindi. Yung
Holiday hangout.
Yes.
Grabe.
Ho ho holiday
Grabe,
hangout
tas
with us.
sabi ng makeup, what happened to your legs?
What happened?
Last night we did
Someone choked
we
me.
did wrestling.
Wrestling ba?
That's why.
Pero malakas talaga si Jiro eh.
Lakas!
Oh,
Kawawa si Winston.
apelyado pa lang, batak na eh.
Yes.
Magtatapos naman yung taon, pre.
Oh.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Botok nga.
Pero, nung nag-wrestling si Jiro tsaka si Kuya Kim, wala. Malakas din si
Wala si Kim.
Walang talo si Jiro.
Alam nyo guys,
Sino kaya natalo sa atin sa Korea?
alam nyo guys,
Wala.
Hoy, talo ko kayo
maliit na tao lang to si Kim, pero sobrang lakas niya talaga.
Maganda yung mga technique niya.
O go
Okay.
arm wrestling.
Ah.
Para malaman ulit kung sino yung pinakamalakas.
Marami
Hindi,
siyang
may sakit na kasi ako.
Ayan.
Dahil ng kanyang shoulder.
Injured.
injury.
Okay guys,
Injury.
next question. Ikaw Kuya Winston, ano yung parang pinaka na-learn mo this year?
I think for me yung pagiging adaptive natin. Kasi minsan may
Oo.
mga moments na, gawin niyo to. So, parang hindi na tayo minsan, ano yung gagawin ko ganito? Especially pag may mga performance tayo. Like, minsan, diretso sabak tayo, walang mga practice at trainings. Tapos, na-adapt na
Sa ulo
lang
na.
natin, na may memorize na lang natin agad. Tapos, go na, pwede na natin gawin.
Yung lesson sa akin ay mag-manage yung stress ganun. Hindi ako naiiyak. Na-manage ko na eh.
Feeling ko yung pinaka-coping mechanism niya is yung panonood ng Wicked.
Yes.
Wow!
Favorite.
Lagi ko
Kakanta siya
narinig si Glinda sa bibig ni Kuya Winston.
Kasi
Lagi
ano
siya,
pa ba?
kasi ngayon roommate ko siya, laging lagi ko naririnig. Parang siyang soundboard na ngayon.
Oo, as in pipinutin mo lang siya tapos
Ako yung greatest lesson ko is learn how to embrace the little things in life. Kasi marami tayong ginawa and
we take it for granted.
yes, like kasi nga sa sobrang bilis ng year na to, na-realize ko na parang every day we really have to make the most of it. And like we enjoy as much as possible kahit sa mga malilit na bagay like kumakain together, lumalabas together, nagbabike, ganun. Parang yun yung kasi pagka lumipas yung oras, yun yung mga bagay na babalik-balikan mo talaga. And like sasabihin mo, ay, ang ganda pala.
Miss ko na, miss mo na. Miss mo na.
Mamimiss mo, sabihin mo like, sana nirecord ko to, sana pinicturean ko to. So yeah, embrace every moment.
Ako naman. Para sa akin, same kay Winston kasi yung mga schedule namin pa iba-iba talaga. Like, parang biglaan. Tapos kailangan mo maging prepared agad. Kasi di namin alam yung minsan may schedule na bago. For example, yung kapag nasa backstage, ibahin yung kanta natin, ganun. Pero ayun.
Amen! Okay, hulaan nyo kung ano yung schedule, pinanta namin yung kanta namin. As in 30 minutes bago kami sumabang.
Bago mag-perform.
Gusto naman namin, ginusto naman namin.
No regrets yun.
No regrets, we loved
Kami
it.
pumilit.
Pero meron kaming isang event, panoodin nyo. Hanapin nyo kung ano yung parang,
Parang, iba to.
pero ang saya, ang saya. Feeling ko nasa
Kasi
pitch
on the
perfect
spot
tayo.
talaga, no? On the
Oo,
spot
parang tayo
ginawa.
nasa pelikula, parang,
Oh, grabe.
okay, go!
Basta man namin mag-ibang anyo.
Pero yun nga yun nga din yung appreciate ko na natutunan natin this year. Mas confident din ako with everyone. Na parang, alam kong kaya nila to, na kahit baguhin natin. Kasi nung first year natin, parang, can we do
Parang
this?
kailangan
Can we?
namuran
Can
muna.
we? But that time I was like, we can do this, like, it's
Bahala
easy,
na,
whatever.
We've heard it for a
Like,
long time.
just tell us the song we need to perform and we'll do it.
Yes, sir. Parang hindi na kami takot magkamali. Kasi alam namin na kaya namin.
Yeah, and our anchors will love us even with our flaws.
Yes.
Yun, yung natutunan ko this year, yung kailangan maging aware ka sa mga schedule mo. Like, para di ka na magtanong-tanong sa mga members mo. Yun yung natutunan ko, guys.
Perfect.
Yes.
Magbasa sa GC.
Magbasa sa GC. Para ma-take note
Magbasa
mo.
sa GC, hindi
Para
naka-D&D.
may mga mangyayari, guys. Ayun.
Wala akong naririnig.
Kasi merong isang member na naka-DND.
Lagi.
Wala akong naririnig.
O yan may sudden change sa pull-out time.
Sabi ko, canceled yung meeting. Tapos pupunta pa rin
Pupunta
siya.
pa rin.
Kakatukin niya pa rin ako.
Tapos ipipilit niya, hindi may meeting eh.
Talaga?
Alam ko, sure ako 100%. Nasa GC yun eh.
Siya pala ang may pa-meeting. So magbasa tayo sa mga GC,
Yes, sir.
sa mga nagtatrabaho dyan, at sa mga nasa groups sa school. Let's read our group chats
Na?
and
Sir.
live peacefully.
And
Yes.
wag mag-DND.
Yes!
Ay, hindi na ako naka-D&D.
Ano, airplane mode naman. Greatest lesson is, I feel like, we should always, sinasabi naman natin from the start pa lang na we should always appreciate the opportunities na nag-open for us. Kasi it doesn't open for everyone like that easily. And we are in a place na maraming may gusto ng place natin na ganito na we're a group na hindi pa tayo like the biggest or anything, but we're doing something that people recognize and appreciate, and that's more than enough. Seeing all our anchors appreciate everything that we put out. Parang hindi kami takot na maglabas ng kahit ano kasi parang our anchors are there at the end of the day to, show love for us and be there when we're performing, and even if it's the little things like doing our lives, we know that there are people who will be there for us and with us along the way.
Correct.
So yeah, it's just appreciating that thing na baka kasi nga it's like normal na for us. Yeah, like refreshing that in my mind is a great lesson. Yeah.
So at the end of the day, maraming gusto maging idol din.
Yeah, yun din.
And
Mga
like,
nangangarap.
we should be a good inspiration
Yes.
to other
Hopefully
people.
we are.
Next question.
Next thing. Well, of course, we want to thank to all of the staff that always help us. They're here!
Kilala niyo na kayo.
Yeah.
Kilala niyo na po kayo.
Yeah. Hindi kasi yun yung baka hindi alam ng mga tao na fans or stans na hindi lang yung idol yung nandun para maging idol. Like, the people behind the idols are helping them become idols. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like the managers,
Agree.
the prod, the writers, the producers, everyone makes what you see.
Yes.
So, yeah,
Kami
of
lang
course.
yung gumagawa, kumbaga. Pero,
Kami yung nandun sa forefront.
yeah. True. They also
Yeah.
do things. Too.
Yeah, but there are lots of people behind the scenes that help us, so we want to thank them all, and they are the ones who keep us afloat during the times when we are lost and missing, and we don't know what to do. We just run to them, yay! We just throw the trucks to them. We're like, okay.
Okay.
So we
Sila na
appreciate
yung
really.
stress.
Yeah. We appreciate really. Pati yung nag-edit nito.
Pati yung nag-next ng quiz.
Pati yung umorder ng food. Oh, sino order nito? Sino
Nasa
hihipan
harap
na
namin.
nakaupo na doon?
Nasa harap namin.
Sinong
Ayun,
hihipan nito,
nakaupo.
di ba? So yun, to those people that make Horizon, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Of course, gusto namin pasalamatan ng Anchor
Ano?
Yeah, of course, our actors.
na laging sumusunod.
Of course! Our anchors!
Anchors, thank you.
Anchors.
Yun lang.
Seryoso, like, sila talaga yung main inspiration ng Horizon.
True.
Kasi at the end of the day, we do all these things. You know, we're doing this mukbang, we're performing in other events, we wake up and do our work for our anchors.
Anchors.
Kasi we
It's
really,
like a thank you.
yeah.
Yes,
It's like
sir.
it's not a chore to us. It's like we really want to do it and like we
Yeah.
want to make you guys happy. Kasi when we see you cheer for us and like we see your genuine smiles, it makes us happy as well. Kasi nga you give us so much love and support, and it's just like a give back transaction. Diba? So.
Si Chong Sul Benim,
Ayun.
syempre.
Ayun, yes.
Chong Sul Benim. Kasi he let us perform with him sa oh my gosh, yung pala isa kong favorite schedule din, Immortal Songs, pre!
Yeah.
Immortal Songs, that's so iconic.
Sure.
I love that schedule.
Especially nung nagre-rehearsal sila and then we're watching in front of them. Amazing. Galing nila
perform kami doon and ang saya-saya lang.
Business though, we really look forward to releasing more songs
Yeah.
and to find even more huge success in the things that we do. And syempre, to grow our relationship with our anchors.
Yes.
And sana dumami ang family.
Family.
And,
Gajuk.
yes. And yan, we'll keep on doing our best just like what we did this year. I think this year naman, we can really say na we are a better versions compared to
Yeah.
last year's Horizon. So, ganun din ang gagawin namin for 2025.
Yes.
We'll be better than this year, and so on.
Yeah, personally, I'm very excited for the release of Cold.
Yes.
I really love that song.
Okay, for me naman is gusto kong i-claim sa 2025 yung positive energy na sana huwag tayo babayaan ni God. Like, magkaroon tayo ng good health
Yeah.
para sa, di lang para sa akin, para sa members ko at sa mga anchors natin. At ayun, sana more blessings to come, ganon.
Sana ako man si Miyab.
Yes! Sana makuha ko na yun nga, sana makuha ko na rin yun si Miyabi. Yun, sa nilalaro ko.
Okay,
Yun.
next question. Kasi we have started kami ni Marcus writing songs for the next releases. So I hope everyone can participate in a way with creating the songs because that's what makes it more Horizon.
Yeah,
If we
very
really participate,
personalized.
yeah. And
Pwede naman ako gumawa ng chord.
Ayo, magaling yan.
Walang
Grabe, kahit walang song, nakakasayaw.
Kaya ko yan.
kaya niya yon on the spot. But yeah, I think yun yung gusto namin for the third. Is it already the third?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody clapping hello! Plano ko, this next year, and decorate ng room. Excited
I'm
na
almost done. I'm almost done.
Oo, kasi this whole year, yun lang, nakakalat ng lahat.
No.
Yes.
Magpo-post ako ng mga
Makalat pa dun.
setup ko sa
Oh, grabe yung kay Marcus, may mga spada-spada doon. Pre!
Oh, guys.
Parang magkakatayin tayo ng baboy dito.
Hindi lang yun isa, hindi lang isa.
Hindi lang
no.
isa.
Grabe, ang dami.
Pwede tayo mag-sword fight, tagluhan tayo.
Sword fight.
As in,
Malala.
magte-tweet ako.
kasi arcade na may
Oh, wait.
espadahan na may katayan ng baboy. Yun yung concept.
Parang may chopping board.
Tapos Galaxy.
Galaxy, oh.
Wala
my
pala.
God.
Ikaw, ano sa'yo? Sa kanya, Enhypen.
Eh,
Enhypen zombie.
Wala na guys.
Si
Chill,
Gino,
chill na yung sa akin. Parang
Cozy.
vibe.
Si Jiro dark concept daw siya.
Ay,
Pero
dark.
ano,
Cozy
cozy
yung
yung
sa
ko
akin.
ng mga gamit.
Ano yung mga ilalagay mo dun?
Maraming kandila.
Magkaganda ako dun, no?
Ay, ninja!
Ayun,
Hindi
ninja. Dark lang, mga,
Dark.
like, mga black, gray, white.
Black, mga like
yung kay Kim,
minimalistic.
paano ba natin explain yung kay Kim? Maraming pabango.
Hindi. Basta yung sa akin lang, yung plan ko nag-share. Kasi meron akong binigay na pusa kay Kyler.
Yes!
So, alagaan yung mabuti.
Guys,
No,
ano lang
Nainggit na inggit! Di mo binigyan!
Sinabihan ko siya kasi sabi niya hindi pa daw siya ready
Ay, wow.
mag-alaga.
Sure.
Pero
Di
di
ba
ba
ready?
Di ba ako
Pero,
ready?
as in, gusto niya talaga.
Actually guys, may pangalan na ako na ibibigay sa ireregalo sa akin ni Kim na pusa.
Wait lang.
Which is Lucy.
Hindi pa nabibigay?
Hindi pa.
Bibigay pa.
Bibigay pa na.
naman, I also want to like learn din diba tayo maggawa ng mga beats, mga kanta like producing. Para nun talaga, if ever in the future, we're really creating our music talaga. It's something I wanna try. And si Kuya Kim din, kami nagtutulungan. So, fight.
Fighting!
Pating!
Sana matupad yung 2025 namin na mga pangarap.
Yeah! Positive!
Horizon
Same
20!
Horizon 2025! Let's go!
Good luck!
Go!
Once na sinimulan mo, kailangan mo ng
Ituloy.
tuloy.
So, like-
kailangan mo tapusin hanggang dulo.
Okay, finalize the words para ilalagay
Like
ng
as in
editor.
naka-quote talaga like,
Finish
Finish.
what you've started.
Finish what you started!
wow,
That's
finish
my-
what you
Okay,
started.
sabihin natin lahat. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Finish what you started!
By
Kyler
Kyler.
2024. Okay.
Learn to... wait lang. Learn to say no.
So what?
Learn to
Wala lang.
So what, bro?
Minsan, pag lagi ka, yes.
Sa pagkain, no? Tataba.
Lahat basta general.
Learn to say.
Learn to, okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Learn to say no! By Kim, 2024.
Go. Kapag nalilito, gamitin si Papa Go!
Hey!
1, 2, 3.
Kapag nalilito, gamitin si Papa Go!
By Vinci.
By Vinci 2024.
By Vinci 2024. Karma is real, kaya gumawa ka mabuti para may mabuti kang karma.
Oh.
Good karma, guys. Good karma. Karma is real.
So, gumawa ka ng mabuti para may mabalik sa iyo ang good karma.
Good karma.
Racer 2024.
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself. Okay.
5, 6,
7, 8.
Believe in yourself.
By
Winston,
Winston.
2024.
Pineda.
Keep moving forward.
Okay.
1,
5,
2,
6, 7, 8.
8.
Keep moving forward! Mark Marcos Gabais 2024! Yay!
Tapos na lahat?
Si Jiro na lang.
Si Jiro.
Hindi ka magiging patak kung hindi ka gumagalaw.
Oh! Pwede!
So, gumalaw.
Okay.
Galaw!
Galaw!
6, 7, 8.
Hindi ka magiging batak pag hindi ka gumagalaw! By Jeremy Melendres Batak 2024.
Complete. Thank you for being with Horizon 2025.
Yay!
2024! Thank you for being with Horizon for
Yay!
2024. We hope to see you in 2025.
Five.
A better version of Horizon is coming towards you.
You!